What's good, you all, and welcome back to another episode of AJ Reaction. Today we're gonna watch the performance of another Greek artist in the name of Stratos Dionysiou. Sorry guys for any mispronunciation. The video that we're gonna watch is this is the video, and the title of the video goes like this.
Στρατός Διονυσίου με σκότωσε γιατί την αγαπούσα, live.
She killed me because I loved her. Well, it is an honor to know another Greek artist, but let me tell you a little bit about the artist, guys. Stratos Dionysiou, nicknamed to Geraki Tis Pistas, was a Greek singer, composer, and lyricist. May his soul rest in peace and light, guys. Having said that, let's start watching the video. Here we go. What a beautiful music.
Σκότωσε γιατί την αγαπούσα, γιατί την είχα σαν μικρό παιδί κι όλα τα λάθη της τα συγχωρούσα, πικρή στιγμή μαζί μου να μη δει.
Hold on a second. He has a fascinating voice, and I'm glad that we have subtitles on the video. I'll start the video once again. It was really heart-touching. I like the composition.
Σκότωσε γιατί την αγαπούσα, γιατί την είχα σαν μικρό παιδί κι όλα τα λάθη της τα συγχωρούσα, πικρή στιγμή μαζί μου να μη δει. Τώρα γυρνά παντού και με δικάζει, λέει πως ήμουν ενόχος εγώ. Πες ό,τι θες, καρδιά μου δεν πειράζει, ακόμα μια φορά σε συγχωρώ.
I like the music so much.
Με σκότωσε γιατί την αγαπούσα, γιατί την είχα πάντοτε ψηλά, γιατί μέσα στα μάτια την κοιτούσα, για να την βλέπω μόνο να γελά. Τώρα γυρνά παντού και με δικάζει, λέει πως ήμουν ενόχος εγώ. Πες ό,τι θες, καρδιά μου δεν πειράζει, ακόμα μια φορά σε συγχωρώ.
It was a soothing song, guys. I'm not sure about the accuracy of the translation, but it sounds like a love song, and the lover is complaining about the way she or he is being loved. That was truly a cool music, and I loved Stratos Dionysiou's voice. His voice was really special. Well guys, Thank you so much for another lovely suggestion, and I'm grateful to you for watching the video. If you enjoyed watching it just like I did, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, and if you are new to my channel, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. I want you to stay safe wherever you are. I'll definitely catch your next reaction videos, and peace.